Hello there everyone, I am the one and only Ponotron, and welcome back to another video. And for this video, I am doing some Kirby Air Riders City Trial with my three Amiibos here. Kiibo, Deedles, and Brawl tier. Now this match is going to be set by 4 minutes, and so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe and all that, and let's get this show on the road. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Already off to a good start, Kiibo. Already hopping on the Transform Star. Alright, I can also switch my camera to spectate the other Amiibos that are currently in this match. Let's see how Deedles is doing. On the Vampire Star, I see. One of my favorite machines in the game. Okay, a little bit of a bad move for you to go for that food, but okay. Even though your health is full. Yeah, and get those step boosts. And here comes Kracko. Let's see who gets his step boost. Brawl here? Oh, already at MIC. Good going. Oh, and here comes Deedles, also trying to defeat Kracko. Is Kiibo anywhere near? Oh, he's coming there. Still in a Transform Star. Here he comes. Get those stat boosts while you're at it. I'm trying to commentate my very best on the city trial match. And Kiibo was the one who defeated Kracko. Nice going. And Deedles has picked up the fire copy ability, damaging a bolt, battle chariot, and hops on the Rex wheelie. Kind of a slow machine, but it still works. Well, kind of works out in some sort of favors. Brawl tier, how you holding up? Huh. Not a bad option, I guess. On the battle chariot. And his special is ready. Kiibo. Oh, Kiibo actually KO'd Brawl tier. And put him on the... and then he sent him to the battle chariot. Good play. And switches over to the Wing Star. Good choice. Oh, and Deedles, he has used his special. I don't know how well that's gonna work out. I'll keep going. Alright, a minute and 45 seconds left on the clock, boys. A diamond that makes you bigger might be the key. That could be a hint for a big battle in the stadium event. Alright. Still on the Wing Star, and looks like Kiibo is doing something. I don't know what he would do. Good choice for your offense to be up, though. Alright, Deedles, how are you holding up? Ooh, got some missiles raining down. Although no one seems to be in his path. Ooh, the Dragoon. Hope he collects all 3 parts, but I don't think... Oh, your machine's about to break. Survive and heal and power up. Yeah, everyone's health goes low whenever this event goes on. And I see that Brawl tier has hopped onto the Turbo Star. Ooh! Deedles took out Brawl tier. Oh, and Kiibo's out. Kiibo is on the move. I guess he got taken out as well. Alright, 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left, boys. Wing Star, Rex wheelie, and the Chariot. Not bad options, if I do say so myself. And get your glide up. And your boost. Oh, hello there, Sandbag. Ooh, so close. Alright, let's see everyone's stats. Ooh. I don't think Brawl tier isn't really going to have much of a shot. He only got 18. Kiibo got 29 stat boosts with pretty decent stats, but Deedles, oh my gosh, a whopping 53 stat boosts with the Shadow Star. Another one of my favorite machines. Alright, time for a stadium. Okay, what seems to be the play? High jump, rail panic, button rush, or big battle? I think we are going with a button rush. Button rush 1. Right over buttons and battle for control of the area. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Already off to a decent start, Kiibo. How are you holding up, Deedles? Already going fast. Alright, at 14 points. And Brawl tier is at 9 points as of right now. They keep running into walls. Don't know why that keeps happening. Kiibo at 7 points. Deedles at 17. But Brawl tier at 18. I think I might have thought wrong about you. And you with your stat boost Brawl tier. He's kinda cooking hard. But it may seem to be the case for Deedles, because he is starting to catch up. But 10 seconds left. Who is going to take the win here? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Let's see who wins. The winner is Brawl tier with 46 points. And Kiibo having 16 and Deedles having 11. Well, that has been quite an eventful match for my 3 Amiibos here. But eventually, Brawl tier took the win. And anyways, that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. See ya!